Leslie Gamer, and I'm gonna give this to everyone. This is free. So I wish you can come here. So I'm gonna give you this. And we have some things to give. See, this is cute. I'm gonna give this and this and this. Next is this from the girls. This bag for girls. See? And I have this from your school supplies. See? School supplies. This is all Hello Kitty. And this is. It said for every 24 badge pins collect, you are entitled to a limited edition Hello Kitty badge. Buttons that will serve as your pass to the Hello Kitty around the world meet and greet.
1.0.
See Hello Kitty around the world at these participating malls: SM North EDSA and SM Mall of Asia, SM Mega Mall, SM South Mall, SM Cebu, SM Lanang. I don't know. It's Lanang. So this is it. I have many of them, and these are the badges. See? It is over 48 designs to collect. This all is 48 bags. You have to collect 24. So let's look. Paris and that and this and this. This. Cute.
Sorry.
And this.
Sorry, hindi na pala.
So this is no. And so this is all of them. So please subscribe down below and comment and please like. Bye. See you next video. Bye.